Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Lush kitchen unboxing. I have never unboxed one of these before. I think they were just made available in the US. But it is a subscription box monthly. You get to vote on what comes in it. So let's take a look. There's a little card here where you can look for this on the back of here. It's just a little fun little thing to do. I also got a limited edition Lush pen. I think that's very cute. Everything's a bit dusty from the bath bombs. A matching Lush notebook. Pretty cool. I think we have a packing slip. It looks like we got a couple bath bombs. This is a bubble bar. It's called the Mean Green Mother from Outer Space. So cute. All this smells really good too. Then we have Ghost Shower Gel. This is a pretty big size. It says it's a blend of white lily, jasmine, and rose. I don't really like rose, but let me see what this smells like. Yeah, that's not bad. It's real light. And it's shimmery. I don't know how well that's picking up on camera, but there's a lot of shimmer in it. Also have a Banana Ghost Shower Bomb. Ooh, I like that a lot. And there should be, oh, there it is, a Cobweb Bath Bomb. Also have Potion. This is a kitchen exclusive body lotion. It's hard to say. Cast a skin softening spell with enchanting rose and nourishing almond oil. I like the packaging, how they have the little Halloween labels on these. Yeah, that's not bad. And I think that's it, but let me kind of dig around in here. So this subscription is $49.95 plus shipping. I got 5 items, pretty good variety. A shower bomb, a bubble bar, a bath bomb, some lotion, and some shower gel. And then I like the little extra goodies. We got a little notebook and a pen. Super cute. I will continue to get a couple more of these, at least through the holidays, see if they have some fun stuff for Christmas. But yeah, if you are interested, I will put all their information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.